Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you of course. Today let me introduce you the LumoraLight. Wow. This is special elegant 3 spotlights for outdoor use. It is 7 plug or 6 plug or 5 plug available. I choose the 7 plug because I have a big treat out there. It is AC or as you need it, solar powered. It's IP65. It comes in a lighting area of 5 up to 10 square meters, and the materials which are used are aluminium and single pan safety glass. And the voltage can be operated with a AC 220 dB. That means the European network of voltage is possible with 230 most of that. Or you can use DC with 24 volt. Wow. The wattage is 60, 72 or 84 watt. And it works with LED power. These outdoor lights are specially designed for the needs of households that enjoy their outdoor areas and value the durability, energy efficient, and harmonious design. It combines high quality engineered with a state-of-the-art LED technology for a reliable lighting solution that can withstand all weather conditions. And it's made of high-quality weather-resistant materials, as told you before, that have been specially developed to the changeable Central European climate. Reliably withstands rain, snow, wind, and frost. The IP65 protection rating provides a complete dust and water protection for long-term reliability. And it's equipped with the latest generation of the high-efficiency LED chips that provides an excellent light output with a minimal energy consumption. Reduces the power consumption of up to 80% compared to conventional lighting solutions, and thus meets the highest environmental standards. And we have created a concentrated yet soft light with 3000 K warm white that precisely highlights the shapes and the structure of trees and garden architectures. It creates an elegant nightly atmosphere that perfectly combines security and aesthetics. The functional minimalistic design with the flowing lines fits seamlessly into the modern garden aesthetics. The high-quality workmanship of the aluminium and single-pan safety glass guarantees durability and visual elegance. So, we have a good benefit in a glance. Exceptional climate resistance optimized for demanding outdoor areas. High energy efficient and long service life. Precise lighting effects. Minimalism design. Robust and reliable. And it's an easy installation. That's perfect for your garden, of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!